We're pulling off after this. You doing the most. I'm the one putting people in all this.
Hey, hey!
You the one putting people in all this. You don't gotta f*** with it.
Relax.
I'm the one putting this.
Hey, how's it going? Is that your car? Or we were just helping out? Or?
Yeah. She called me, said she had two flat. Well, she told me she had a flat tire.
Okay.
So she sent me her location, so I came, pulled up.
Okay. Are you dad? Okay. Do you know her?
Yeah, we were at the restaurant just a minute ago together.
Okay. Where's the driver at? Is that her? Why is she in the passenger seat? What did she hit?
Hello.
You can see the tire marks.
I'm the driver.
Like,
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm the driver. I'm just waiting on 8 on my double AA too.
Okay.
That's literally
What'd you hit?
the
like
curve,
she hit the curve.
the roundabout. Excuse me, sir. I hit the roundabout on Sarish. On Saristo, I hit the roundabout. Hello. Calling my mom. She's so mad at me.
Yeah.
But I'm the driver.
Okay, I got you. Do you mind just coming out of the car and talking?
Oh, yeah.
Why are you sitting in the passenger seat?
Because my mom is calling me. I'm so stressed out. I'm overwhelmed, but I'm the driver. So it's like, I can talk to you, but...
yeah, do you mind just... I'll tell you what, why don't we... Since we're kind of in the middle of the road right now, why don't you just come talk to me on the sidewalk?
I'm trying.
620 this way. Can you roll me one more?
Excuse me, police. I cannot...
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have to get out. I can give my name, my number, but I'm
just
so
because
annoyed.
right now we're on the side of the road, and I don't want you to. I don't want somebody to hit us.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah.
right
So why don't we just get out and we'll walk over to the curb where it's safe. And if you got your driver's license with you, I'm gonna need that as well.
Yes, I do.
All right.
Oh, freaking annoying.
Let's walk this way.
Honestly, in like real trouble.
Well,
even if I'm not in trouble, like getting pulled, like this is my first time actually. Like, you could put my name, but I'm nervous because this is my first time getting pulled over by the police.
Okay.
On some real stuff. Like, I'm an entrepreneur, but geez Louise, like I'm nervous.
Okay, so just tell me how like the crash happened.
I crashed right here on the median.
Okay. And where were you coming from?
Literally from South Adams Street.
You were coming from South Adams Street?
Sir.
Do you remember the name of the business that you were at?
No, sir.
Okay.
I was just literally passing through, and I seen the like right here. I hit the medium. I'm not gonna lie to you, and that's all.
All right.
So I hit the medium, and yeah, that's how I knew I was in trouble.
You all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Why don't you just have a seat for me?
I will, but I have my stomach is hurting. I'm on my cycle. My tampon is honestly, honestly swear, my tampon is in the car.
Okay. Okay, I got you. But
so
listen,
no other. I have no other.
Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Gardner, we can't have you go into the vehicle right now because we're in the middle of the road.
No, I just need to grab my tampon. That's literally all. I'm not
Where
saying
is
I need to in the driver's seat.
In the driver's?
Yes, I need to grab my.
All right. Well, let me just turn off your car first, okay?
Oh, yeah, that's not a problem.
Hold on. Let me just go in there and turn it off. Miss Gardner, hold on. You're not listening to me. Please.
Sorry.
Let me just turn off the car, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and grab what you need to grab.
Have you gone on the piece of records or anything yet?
No, not yet. All right.
Hello.
So apparently she was just driving to hit the curb and somehow ended up.
Yes, sir. Like I told the other officer right here, I did hit the knee, and that's what caused my tire to flatten.
Okay.
Well, it looks like you toasted it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It went completely
Yeah, I
over.
would say right here.
I gotta make a phone call real quick. If you can just stay 10-12.
The suspect's mother arrived at the scene, causing tensions to escalate.
For it. It's a tire.
Ma'am, y'all need to
It's
calm
not
down.
your goddamn car. Oh my God. Mom, it's your tire. It was a mistake. Let's be real. All you had to do was call me. I did.
Hey.
What are you talking about? I
What's gonna
didn't
happen?
call you.
Sit back in your car.
Sit back in your car now.
Why did you come over here with that?
Why did you come over here with that? You starting a whole disturbance. This stuff can be replaced. Hey.
She going the wrong way, and she.
It happens, but here's the deal.
She
This can be
wasn't
replaced.
going the wrong way. She hit the curve, and you can still see the tire marks where she spun out.
That's what she done.
I mean, I don't know. She called me and told me she flattened the tire, so I pulled up.
Don't be drinking.
So what's your relationship with her? You know her? He said she called you?
I mean, I met her a week ago.
Okay. So she called you?
Yeah. Okay. We was at brunch.
She didn't call me.
We was just at
she telling
brunch.
me I got a flat
She
tire,
told me she got a
Mama.
flat tire and told me she needs some help.
Okay.
So I told her send me the location. So she sent me the location.
The car is registered to you or to her?
My husband, he coming. He told me.
Is she the sole operator of the vehicle?
No, he.
Okay. So who operates the car?
No.
My husband.
I don't know.
My husband.
Today she was the only person.
She was. She asked
She
me.
told you that?
I mean, I know. She was with me at the brunch.
Oh, okay.
She asked me because you was called. I told her 2 hours. Be back by 4:30. This up. This all I got. She was
Everybody,
Okay.
I'm going to position my car. If you could just take statements
absolutely.
off, and then
Absolutely.
we can just send buyer over, or you can stay in with me while I do it.
Okay.
Ma, you don't gotta do all that. We're pulling off after this. You doing the mouth. I'm the one putting pictures of all this.
Hey,
You the one sitting up here talking all this. You don't gotta f*** with it.
Relax.
I'm the one putting this shit. Your turn. Stop fucking you. Stop fucking you. I'm the one telling you, bro.
Ma'am, can you take her away from here?
Take her ass to jail. She drunk.
Here, I swear to God, it's always something. I'm telling her, it's not you. The f you should have been trying to, bro. That's my mama, but bro, you weren't even there.
No. Stop.
I'm throwing my goddamn shit. I've been throwing this goddamn phone with everything. You done tore up my goddamn shit. Strong.
Ma, you.
Here, if you just hold it, I'll put my car over there. She's back on.
Can I get my?
this your
my
phone?
Crocs. Yes, sir. That's my mama. You're the drunk. You haven't been there for me all my life. You're a fiend. Wait, that's been nothing to me. Listen, I've been trying to make it seem like this and that. I never had my mama.
You stay right here.
I never. I'm sorry. Oh, mommy issues 101. This lady has never been there for me, bro.
It sounds like she provided a car for you, and you ruined that opportunity.
This is my mama, what, bro? I never. This is.
Just so you know, the crash
it's
starts
not that.
way back.
Way back there.
All the way where you saw me.
Mm-hmm. What else was hit?
No property damage.
No property damage, just to that?
Just curb. I mean, but it's fresh black mark on curbs, and you can follow the tire tracks perfectly to where it's at now.
Okay.
Yeah, she hit the curb way back. You see, like the flag sign? Mm-hmm. Way back over there is where it started.
Mm-hmm. She must have went straight, didn't even go around the roundabout.
So you can see where her tire busted over there and started dragging.
Yes, ma'am.
So
yes, sir. I
you
did.
hit the curb way back there.
I did. And that's what I said. I hit the medium.
Let's
Yes,
get
sir.
you in my car, all right?
Yes, sir. I never been to jail. This is so new.
Well,
This
I know
is
she's got the
your
rest of you,
actions in front of the law enforcement is...
because
Get
my
you in there every
mama,
time.
like, you don't understand.
I get that,
My
but
mama
again...
never been there for me. Sit up here.
All right. Do you have anything on you before?
No, sir.
Do you have any pockets or anything like that?
No, sir.
All right. Is there anything on you that I need to know about before we go to the jail that you're not supposed to have with you?
I was in jail. Wait, 1 second. Wait. I have no record. Why am I going to jail? Wait.
Do you have anything on you that I need to know about before we go to jail? You're obviously wearing a dress like there's no pockets.
Wait. Well, why am I going to jail? I never been to jail. Why am I going to jail?
We'll explain that in just a minute. DUI and resisting.
I promise.
Whatever y'all want to do. But
Sir.
definitely do you
Yeah, put your feet and I'll talk to you, okay?
Definitely resisting. We pulled it back up multiple times. Continue to progress at us. Gets mom. Disobeyed lawful commands. And then once we picked her up, she continued to pull away from us, move her, and yeah.
Can you get this hair from my mouth?
Miss Gardner, let me get you to relax for 1 second.
Miss Hunter.
I understand that.
I know what's going on.
We're trying to tell
Why
you.
am I in the back of a police?
Are you going to calm down so we can tell you and explain it to you?
Can you please get my mama, please?
No,
Yes, I will
no.
calm down. Please get my mama.
Negative. We can't do
Please
that.
get my mama, please. I promise.
All right, so here's the deal. Did you want him to reread your rights to you or
I
no?
want my mama.
Okay, so that we're going to take that as a no so we can't
Please,
explain
I
it.
don't know what's going on. I've never been arrested
Miss Gardner,
before.
we're trying to explain these
I
things
don't
to you.
know what's going on.
Miss Gardner.
You keep saying that, but you're not listening. Now, either you're going to listen and let us explain it to you, and we can get down to the bottom of it so we can go ahead and move on, okay? We can't move on if you keep doing that back and forth. So let him read it again. You going to listen? He's going to read it again.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you go. Listen.
I can't breathe.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can't breathe. I really somebody. I can't breathe. I just want my mama.
Miss Gardner, can you hear me?
I've never been arrested.
All right. We're going to take that as a no.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Are you gonna listen?
Here it is. Here it is. We're going to read it to you, okay?
Okay.
Listen.
You have the,
Okay.
Miss Gardner, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a hire lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights or not answer any questions or make any statement.
You understand your rights?
Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
That's a yes or no, Ms. Gardner. Do you understand your rights?
Do you understand these rights?
I don't know.
Okay. All right.
I really don't know, y'all.
Okay. All right. That's fine.
And I'm not. I just need my mama. Just to go to the window, please.
Negative.
I've been arrested.
But
I'm not refusing it.
I get it. That's why we're trying to explain it to you since you've never been arrested.
We're
trying to explain to you.
Mama.
Listen.
You can get my. I don't care about my rights. Get my mama. She right there. I swear to God, you're right there. There's no right. Oh no. That's right.
We go out the window.
Call your daddy.
We window up.
Yeah.
Is this her phone?
Yeah, that's hers.
Let me get her purse for you real
Let
quick.
me get it.
Give me the phone.
Let me get it.
Give me the phone.
No, hold on.
Hey,
Y'all can't just come say y'all gonna get property at this point. So, if she says it's okay, then that's fine.
Listen, can your parents take your phone?
Hang right now.
Okay, just calm down now.
Just calm down, baby. Just calm down.
Okay, we gonna come get you.
She has your ID to go through jail.
Okay, just be calm, baby.
We come to get you.
Come to get you, be calm.
Hush, we come to
Just be
get
calm.
you.
We're gonna get you, be calm.
Okay,
Okay.
it's fine.
We're gonna come get you, baby. Be calm.
Calm down.
Give me a phone on the TMA.
They're gonna team it.
She has to.
No, that's fine.
We come to get you.
You have to. They won't clear you at the hospital.
That's fine.
We coming to get you.